Hello students, welcome to Real Math. In this video, we are going to learn the properties of cube and the surface area, lateral surface area, volume and diagonal of a cube. Now first we learn the properties of cube. Cube has how many faces? It has got 6 faces. Sidewise they have 4 faces, top and bottom there are 2 faces. So totally it has 6 faces. And how many edges? Edges is the length. It has got 12 edges. You can see the picture. Now it has got 12 edges. Yes. Finally vertices. How many vertices? 8 vertices. And what is the face of the cube? Face of the cube is square. If you turn any side of the cube, it is a square. Let us start with the TSA, that is total surface area of the cube. It is a measure of the total surface area covered by the cube. So, first the face of the cube is, you already know it is a square. Now, you can see when you open out the cube, you will get the picture like this. 4 side faces and top and bottom one. So, it has got 4 side faces, top face, bottom face. Now, each face is a square. So, area of the face of the cube is, suppose if the side is A, then A squared. So, all the A squares we have to sum it up. That is, we have to total all the A squared to get total surface area. So, how many A squared are there? 6. Why? Because it has got 6 faces. So, the total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 A squared. Always remember to write the units, that is in square units. Suppose if it is centimeter, square centimeter. If it is meter, square meter. Like that you have to write. Next is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cube is the measure of the lateral, that is side surface area covered by the cube. It has got 4 side faces. So, face of the cube is square. There are 4 side faces of a cube. Now, area of the face of the cube is A squared. Suppose if the side is A, then it is A squared. So, we have to sum all the A squared. How many A squared are there? 4. Only it is 4 sides. It has 4 faces. So, lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4 A squared square units. Now, volume of a cube. Volume is a measure of space occupied by the object. Now, you can see the cubical box. Assume it is empty. We are going to place the squares inside the cubical box. We are going to stack it up. Then we'll see how we can measure the volume. Now the face of the cube is square. So base you have square. So area of the base is A into A, that is A squared. Now let the side be A units. Area of the square is equal to A squared. Now volume of the cube. You are going to find out the volume. So for that already A into A, that is in X and that is in Y direction. Now we are going to measure with the height. Then we are going to fill it up with the squares of height A. So into A. Cubic units. So volume of the cube is equal to A cube cubic units. Remember, for a volume it is always we have to write cubic units because it is occupying X direction, Y direction and also Z direction. It is a 3-dimensional figure. That is why volume we are going to write it with cubic units. Finally, we are going to find out the diagonal of the cube. So we are going to find the length D shown in the figure. Let the side of the cube is equal to A units. Now draw the lines. Now line BC is equal to A and line AB is the diagonal of the square of side A. So we are going to find out the value of AB first. Now it is 90 degree there. Look at the picture. Now AB squared is equal to A squared plus A squared. This is using Pythagoras theorem. So AB squared is equal to 2A squared. Now AB, we are going to find out the square root. AB is equal to root 2 into A. Now we got root 2 into A for AB. Then we have to find out the value of D, that is diagonal. Now look at the picture. Again there it is 90 degree. Now again using Pythagoras theorem, we know the other two sides of the right angle triangle. So we have to find out AC squared. AC squared is equal to D squared, that is equal to A squared plus root 2 into A the whole square. Now AC squared is equal to A squared plus 2A squared. That is equal to, when you add A squared plus 2A squared, you get 3A squared. Now removing the squares, AC is equal to diagonal, that is equal to root 3 into A. So diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3 into A units. Now let us recap. Thank you for watching. Happy learning from Real Math.